Okay, everyone, if you would just grab a couple of props. Today we'll need 2 blocks, 2 blankets, a bolster, and a sandbag. The main idea is for you to reach that place where you go, not even just like, oh, this is okay. No, we're looking for complete and total comfort so that you can enter into your deep relaxation mode, into your parasympathetic.
My name is Karen Iricane, and I teach restorative yoga at Boundless Yoga Studio.
Ease yourself over back into.
Sometimes what can be difficult about meditation is finding a comfortable position and letting the body relax so you can quiet the mind. And restorative yoga, with all of its props, allows you to find comfort and ease in the body and can allow you to find stillness for an extended period of time and enter a meditative state.
Self-love is the heart of it because it's not selfish. Instead, that is the very seed that allows us to take that love and carry it forward to others. Restorative yoga for me is like the best nap I could possibly have without actually falling asleep. My name is Loebsack. I'm the Director of Educational Programming for Boundless Yoga Studio and teacher trainer for restorative yoga. No matter our age, there's always that space we need to be held and taken care of. I think for a lot of people, there's this idea of holding up the world. I gotta juggle all these balls, my job, oh, there's so much stress, my family. And in restorative yoga, we have the opportunity for those few moments or that class to let it all go for a moment, to actually allow ourselves to be cradled, just like we hold a beautiful baby and we allow that baby to feel really loved and really held. The pillows and props and blankets underneath can allow us to feel really held, really cradled, fully supported.
Allow your shoulders to sink up toward your ears. The first time I was introduced to restorative yoga was at my 200-hour teacher training in Asheville, North Carolina. And during that experience, I entered this place that's kind of in between the wake state and the sleep state. And when you're there, you're kind of like, oh yeah, I'm here. That's it. That's that Zen zone we're always looking for. But as soon as you recognize you're in the Zen zone, you've taken yourself out of the Zen zone. So it was my goal to get back into that zone every single time or more often. So at the time I was having trouble sleeping and couldn't fall asleep at night, couldn't stay asleep at night. And after practicing restorative yoga for a few weeks, I had no more trouble falling asleep. In fact, I would use restorative yoga to fall asleep at night.
Breathing through the layers of our physicality.
One of the biggest rewards I find in teaching restorative yoga is seeing the students come back week after week, so excited, telling me they've waited all week for this class, that it's what they need, it's the perfect end towards their week, and that they have their best night's sleep after a restorative yoga.
Inhale all the way around. Pull.
So I hope to see you one day at a restorative yoga class or in our teacher training program.